Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Fandango. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to Google. Now in the Google search bar, type in promo code for Fandango and then hit enter. From here, we're going to be taken to Google search results. And now right off the bat, we've got some huge third-party sites that offer promo codes. So we've got couponfollow.com, coupons.com, realtimenot.com, Simply Codes, and we've also got Worth the Penny. So you can check out any one of these for promo codes, but one I like to use is called Coupon Follow. These coupon promo code websites do change their deals daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates because you might snag yourself a better bargain as well. All right, so I'm over at couponfollow.com, and now as you can see, there's a couple of offers here. There's 10% off on orders plus $100, and there's one here for 50% off with coupon code. So just choose which one you want to use. So I want to go for the bigger one, 50% off. Simply click onto it, copy code, and then paste this code at the checkout section of Fandango to receive 50% off. These codes do expire, so be sure to make sure that are in date. If it is expired, just move on to the next coupon code or promo code.